When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky. Oh, beautiful sunrise, but there's so much they hold. It's just like them old stars. I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How is your soul? Well, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. When you're leaving your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. Singing the stars, they sorry before to the end. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't want to be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we didn't intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up.